Oh, he's recording you.
Hello.
You have your pension card?
Do you want me to scan some?
Yeah, if you don't mind.
Hey buddy, I'm Sydney Council Bishop Cabramatta Police Transfer. Just need your Opal card, mate. I need to scan it. Make sure you're
Down
complying. Oh, is it down there? Is it?
Yeah, it's down there.
Okay. Could you pass it to me, please? Could you pass me your Opal card? Are you going to present your Opal card for inspection, or you're not going to, sir? So you're not presenting it to me for inspection?
Can I have a look at your pension card? Can I inspect your pension card?
Can I have your name and badge number, please?
He already told you his name.
I already told my mate.
What's your name?
I just told you, but I'll repeat it again. Sydney Council
P.
Bishop.
Bishwell. What is your name?
He already told you that.
What is your name?
But I'm dealing with
No,
it.
I'm
He's
asking.
not excising
No.
power.
He's here. He's got to give me his name.
No, he doesn't.
He does.
He only has
What's
to
your
give his
name?
name.
Why is he walking away? Why is he hiding?
I'm the one excising
Why is he
power.
hiding?
I'm the one excising
I got your
power.
name out. You're right. But why? What's his name?
Sir.
I need his name first.
I'm going to ask you again. Are you going to present your Opal
It's
card?
right there, man. No, I'm not picking it up.
Okay.
Because why he's hassling me for? Why me? Yeah, I'm not doing shit.
Alright. So can I have your pension card, please? You're required by law to present your pension card as well. That's not a pension card. That's an Opal card. Pension card, please.
Can you please get out of my personal space, please? Obviously, I haven't done nothing wrong, so you don't need to get that close to me.
Okay.
You know, what's the point of getting so close? Were you trying to intimidate me? Are you trying to intimidate me? You're trying to intimidate me. It's not going to work. I'm not scared of you, man. It's not going to work, mate. So why do you step close to me? What? I'm not scared of you, man.
Sir?
What are you trying to show off with your 3 officers? I'm not scared of you.
So why are you angry?
What kind of job is this?
So why are you
You're
angry?
checking people's tickets. Why don't you go and fucking do something normal?
I'm going to give you a warning for using offensive language in a public place. Okay, this is going to be my last warning.
Well, I'm not going to do it anymore, so it's a waste of a warning because it's not going to
Can
work.
you present your pension card, please?
The train on
This is